Cheerdots have kindly sent me out a prototype version of their AI mouse, and I cannot wait to check it out. Now, the first thing that caught my eye about this product is the design, as it truly shows how modern and unique it is. Also, it is very light for a mouse. So this is called the Cheerdots 2. It looks very modern and unique. We have the Cheerdots logo on the top and bottom of the mouse. Also, it is very light, which actually surprised me considering the number of features it comes with. One standout feature is that this is a detachable mouse, which can be used as a presentation tool, which can be very handy. If you wish to use it as a regular mouse, just simply attach it back and you're good to go. Ergonomically, it feels comfortable to use and it easily accommodates my hand. And don't worry, the magnets hold everything well, so you won't have to worry about it falling apart when picking it up. This little device is jam-packed with a range of features. As you can see, the trackpad has 3 touch areas in the mouse, and it comes at a fairly good size. It accommodates up to 3 fingers very well. We have the on and off switch that allows you to connect up to 2 devices via Bluetooth. This one right here is the DPI sensor, and if you are having issues, you can have it reset by just pressing this button right here. Here you can toggle between air and ground, but we'll look into that later in the video. This button right here on the side allows you to use it as a laser pointer. Since this is only the prototype version, it's still not fully operational. Holding this button right here opens up the AI feature, and holding it activates the microphone. And you can recharge it via USB-C. As I mentioned earlier, this mouse truly has a unique design. It can be detached from the main body by just pulling it apart so that it can be used as a handheld pointer. This one right here is just a prototype, but Cheerdots will be including a laser pointer in the final product, which will be very handy for users who do a lot of presentations. Connecting it via Bluetooth was a flawless experience. My Mac was able to immediately detect it and it worked straight away. And it is also compatible with Windows. The Cheerdots 2 AI mouse comes with some really cool features, but you will need to open up the Cheerdots 2 app to make the most of it. Once you open the app, we have the basic gesture instructions, which pretty much show you how to use the mouse, and you have the option to choose from a range of custom gestures such as 2-finger zoom. Another cool feature is the ability to customize the DPI sensitivity from 800 all the way up to 2400. Air mode also comes with 3 different modes, and you can choose and customize each one to your liking. Under voice setting, you can choose the recognition language, and from there you can decide whether you would like to access GPT mode or speech to text. And you even have the option to record your voice, which is actually super handy in meetings. The headline feature is the built-in ChatGPT functionality that can make life so much easier when it comes to doing various tasks such as answering questions and learning new things. Despite the Cheerdots 2 AI mouse still being in its prototype phase, I sense great potential. But once they fine-tune everything, I believe this device will be truly exceptional and a lot of fun. It seamlessly combines presentation and desktop mouse features, including a voice AI system with additional capabilities such as speech to text. And while you might not use them all the time, accessing these features is super easy. If you record a presentation, it can automatically generate a summary for easy sharing amongst your colleagues, which is very convenient. For those interested, it's currently on Kickstarter, and you can find all the relevant links in the description below. Overall, I thought this would be an ideal mouse for frequent travelers and those involved in presentation work. I hope you found this video helpful. I've been Ryan, and I'll hopefully catch you guys on the next one. Take care.